The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 60, effective until 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Alabama: Lawrence, Limestone, Madison, and Morgan, and the following counties in Tennessee: Giles and Lincoln. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 60 has been issued until 1 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Alabama: Lawrence, Limestone, Madison, and Morgan, and the following counties in Tennessee: Giles and Lincoln. The Metropolitan